Once Moovly has successfully uploaded your video to YouTube, you'll receive an email like the one displayed on the screen to whichever email address you used to set up your account. All you have to do is click this pink button right here, View It Here, to see it in YouTube. As you can see, there is our finished video. And to embed this into a web page, you're going to go down here to the Share button, click Share, and the very first option you see here is the embed code. So all you do is click Embed, and you have the entire code right here. And when you click Copy down at the bottom, it'll automatically select all of the text and copy the link to your clipboard. Now, when it's time to paste this embed code into your web page, all you have to do is right-click and paste, or a simple Control-V, and you're all done. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Have a great day.